I am so tired. I have 3 dogs, which means when I'm this tired and I'm about to go to bed, I have 3 dogs to make have a wee. Come here! Come here! Calm down now. A big day tomorrow. Come on, we need to go to bed. Good morning. What are we doing?
Posting some parcels, some OWNA parcels. OWNA material, t-shirts, hoodies, caps, shirts.
Every day.
Every day, yeah.
Perfect opportunity for an OWNA plug. This is one of our obsessed girl hoodies. Don't forget, we've got crazy deals on OWNA right now. You can get a free t-shirt with any hoodie that you order. Simply pick your favourite t-shirt and add it to your basket when purchasing your favourite hoodie. Jeez. Who else has a delivery van that bags out? I love my transporter. If you want to know if a guy's got his life together, ask him if he's got a transporter. My breakfast is 100% pure, innocent coconut water, organic spinach, blueberries, raspberries, and 1 mugful of normal, natural porridge oats. I find it's quite good for just a fast fix for breakfast. Got brain freeze. This is the contained energy that I'm dealing with on a daily basis. Go! Tango! Sit. I have the field for 1 hour every single day. I haven't been in the 7R in about a week. You can see how it fires up after 1 week of no action. Doesn't miss a beat. Car noises coming in hot. We're gonna go down into sport, manual. Someone come over and made me these Polaroids art roll hard of my car when it had splits on. What are we doing today, lad?
Getting repairs. Have you clipped it again?
I don't think so. I don't know. But basically, most cars with air ride turn your wheel as you slam it and it touches that and crinkles your arch. Is that one okay? Oh, that one's done as well. Look at that, lad. What horsepower are we pushing out of this GTR?
399.6.
Woo! Rude boy. Also, some of you won't know, but if you want to know, Dents Removed is right next door to Kill All Wipers, which is pretty mental.
What are you saying, my brother?
Want a race?
Good, yeah, I'll smoke you, me.
Highest setting. It's like a pre-check
This basically shows me the reflection
of the lines, oh yeah.
so you can see the lines. If there was a dent, you'd see.
So it's rippled quite far over though, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Hello,
Come and see me at Danny's, lad.
is it blowy?
You're on camera.
So,
This is like the dentistry kit, isn't it?
Yeah.
When are we racing?
ASAP, I think. Yeah, when you saying?
Within 2 weeks.
Mate, I'll race now. Pink slips.
It's worrying how good he is at that, isn't it?
It's annoying though. It's the most annoying tap ever.
Danny T's offered me a pink slips race, Mark 7 for Mark 7. That's a heavy offer, isn't it?
Danny T's.
Do you think?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm too small for this, man. I'm getting ladders out.
Mate, you being serious? Oh, mate's flexing. Don't do it, Dan. Don't do it, lad. We are done. So, where it's got filler in it, we've obviously got that little crack still there. But look at that. That is ridiculous. It was so crinkled. And now it's legit all the way down the outside and legit all the way down the inside.
Perfect.
Magna Plate Tom has showed up in the 140. You good, G?
Yeah, all good.
Let me hear it. Do you want to say anything to the people out there?
What can I say?
You come out, didn't you? Did you see that in the last video?
Bastard, aren't you?
What you lending me today?
I'm lending him my gimbal. It's here on camera, so if he breaks it, it's actually documented.
And I'm thinking of buying one, so I'm lending Tom's and we're going to use it right now in the next clips. Today, I'm following up on the last video's promise, which was some artsy clips of the Nissan Gtr. Bagged out, looking slammed. So this thing handles a camera crazy. You basically put your camera on the gimbal, you turn it on and it's motorised and it stabilises the camera for clips and artsy shots and stuff like that. So that brings us to now, where we're going to shoot the first location of the day. Let's go. The weather's crazy in England right now, as you can hear on the car. There is rain hitting the shell on the car, so we are dodging the weather today for the video, but I hope you're all buzzing with the Nissan Gtr content at the moment. We're going to hit location number 2. Let's go! Let's have a look what we're doing on pressures. On a GTR you run 85 on the front, 50 on the rear. I hope you've been enjoying the artsy bits in today's video. So I'm on the move now to location number 3. I'll see you at the next location. Okay, so this brings me to the next part in today's video. I've got a brew because you need to brace yourself for this one. It's going to be pretty mad. You will know already what the hell this is by the title of today's video, but this is a big move for me. Some of you will know. Do you know what? I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to go and get it right now. OMG, it is in the garage. It has just fell apart as I've grabbed the box. It's been all over the world to get to me. There's a sneak peek on the end there. So, before we go any further in today's video, I want to do a personal shout out to my friends, Vinyl Frog. Some of you will know Vinyl Frog and some of you won't know Vinyl Frog. Vinyl Frog have their own website where they sell you wrap direct from their factory, which is crazy. Go and check out Vinyl Frog online. They've got social media, they've got Instagram, they've got Facebook, they've got YouTube, they've got all that stuff. Vinyl Frog is the people to use when you're wrapping your car. I'm wrapping the GTR. I am wrapping the GTR. So, I wanted to do a special thanks in today's video to Vinyl Frog. Literally hooking it up, sending me some vinyl for the GTR. For me to DIY install on the car. This is going to be a crazy part of the channel. Some of you will know I've had 3 Nissan GTRs now. Both the previous Nissan GTRs were wrapped. One was wrapped snow camo and one was wrapped satin metallic grey. I believe what I'm looking at right now is the craziest colour I've ever wrapped a vehicle. This is going to be off the chain. Now, I have opened the box already just to check it was the right one before we made the video. As you can see, I've been in the box already and checked it out. Vinyl Frog. Vinylfrog.com, as you can see. That's where you can go and buy your very own vinyls. So incredible. Let's go for the colour reveal. Oh my god. I've already ripped a bit of the packaging open to see what the colour really looked like under the light. It is incredible. That's what I'm going to say to you right now. It's actually crazy under the lights. As soon as you get that clear film off the top, you're going to lose your mind. Before we go any further, I wanted to say, if you go on their website, they've got millions of different colours. This colour is called Grape Purple, and you're going to lose your mind. Let's show you. I'm going to have a sip of my brew because this is intense. You're going to lose your mind. What's the next modification for the Nissan GTR? Let me know below. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh. That is actually crazy. Let me show you this. I hope the camera light shows how purple that actually is. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That is unreal. Jesus. Oh my god. Grape purple it is. That is going to be so mental on the Nissan GTR. As you can see, I've got a full roll Which means we can do a full car, black wheels, black windows, black spoiler, blacked out lights, yellow headlights, carbon everything, purple shell. What are your thoughts? Jeez! Looks mad. Looks mad as. Can't believe it. I'm just moving a brand new OWNA date night t-shirt, which you can get free with any single hoodie on ownaofficial.com. This is gonna be so crazy. Oh my god. That's gonna be so crazy. Can't believe it's gonna be on my car. Can't believe I'm actually doing a crazy colour like this. I've pulled the clear stuff back so you can see the colour the whole car's going. It's just mad. It's just such a crazy purple colour. So rich. Nice to see it like him. So that's sort of what it's going to look like on the panels on the car from like that angle. So bright and rich. I think it's going to suit it massively. How crazy is that? Jeez. And then they've obviously got their own style back paper, vinyl frog. Jesus Christ, that is rich. Rich boy. On that note, I'm going to be ending today's video right here, right now. I wanted to say thanks for tuning in. Hope you've enjoyed. Bit of a mad vlog with some vinyl frog action at the end. Make sure you are tuning in for the next GTR episodes where we're going to be wrapping this car. It's going to be crazy. I might do a couple of videos on the GTR doing some other mods before we get it ready for its wrap. So this would be like wrap preparation coming in hot. Don't forget, smash the like button if you're hyped on the GTR project. It helps massively and it lets me know you're buzzing with this project that I've took on for the channel. Don't forget to get involved in the comments below with GTR video upgrade ideas. And also don't forget we've got a crazy deal on OWNA right now, which is a free t-shirt with every single hoodie that you order. Make sure you get involved. I'll see you in the next video, which will be in a few days. Thanks for watching today. Peace out.